Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add location to post on Instagram. So if you want to add a particular location to your post on Instagram, whether your new post or existing post, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add location to existing post on Instagram, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app, then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now I want to go ahead and select the post you want to add location to. So let's say this. Now once you selected the post, then go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right of the post like this. Then here you want to scroll down and click on edit. So locate and click on edit. Once you click on that, come here and click on add location. You can see under the edit info, click on add location. Then allow this by clicking on the continue button. Then click on allow while using this application. Then come here and search for the location you want to add to the post on your Instagram. Then once you selected the location, go ahead and click on done. And now once you click on the done button, this location is going to be added to the post. You can see I have this post created from this location. If you also want to add location to a new post or your Instagram, all you just need to do is click on the plus icon, then go ahead and then select the post. So let's say the post we want to select is as simple as this. So select the post. Now click on next. Then here you should say tag people, add music. Then scroll down, locate and click on add location. Now once you click on add location, then go ahead and search for whatever you want to add to the location on your Instagram post. Then once you click on that, come here and click on share. And once you share the post on your Instagram page, you should see the location added to the post. So if you come back to your Instagram page, refresh, then the location will be added to the post. If you open the post, then you're going to see the location just like this. You see that? So that is basically how to add location to post on Instagram. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.